mini mathematicians. Are you ready for a fun math challenge today? Did you know that adding numbers can sometimes create a brand new place value? Let's find out how. Welcome back to part 2 of addition of 3-digit numbers by regrouping. Let's get started. Example 1. Add 590 and 264. First, let's write the numbers neatly in column form. Kids, what is the first step in addition? Very nice. Add the ones. We have 0 and 4. Remember, when we add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. So, 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Let's write 4 in the ones place. Now, what is the second step? Great job! Add the tens. The numbers in the tens place are 9 and 6. 9 plus 6 equals to 15. Oh, that's a 2-digit number. What should we do? Excellent! We write 5 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now, what comes next? Yes, add the hundreds. We add carried 1 and 5 and 2. That gives us 8. When we add 590 and 264, the answer is 854. Example 2. Add 468 and 934. What is the first step? Add the ones. We add 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Now, we will use the standard method. We write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now, what is the second step? Well done! Add the tens. The tens numbers are 6 and 3. And don't forget the carried 1. So, 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals to 10. Wow! Another 2-digit number. Well done! We write 0 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now, what is the next step? Add the hundreds. We add 1 plus 4 plus 9. That equals 14. Remember kids, when we are adding the last place value and get a 2-digit number, we write both digits because there is no next place to carry 2. So we write 14. When we add 468 and 934, we get 1402. Did you notice something special? Our answer is a 4-digit number. That means a new place value was added. It's called the thousands place. Awesome observation, kids. That's all for today, mini mathematicians. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mini Mathematician for more fun math learning. Bye bye kids.